here? Female or male? Yes, ma'am. Wearing floral shirt. Please come and join me here on the center stage. And then face the audience, ma'am. Happy morning, ma'am. Welcome to the Animal Encounter Show. What is your name, ma'am?
My name is Jelly
Jelly. And where are you from, ma'am?
from Bicol.
From Bicol. Ang layo pa ni mama. Ma'am, balita ko nga sa mga taga Bicol matatapang. Tama ba yun?
Yes, Orador.
Yes, sana all. Now, ma'am, to meet our next animal friend, all you have to do is just to bring out both of your hands, just like this. But this time, ma'am, the right hand must be higher than the left hand. And keep that steady, ma'am, and again, that whatever the animals that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. Ma'am, parang kinakabahan ka. Anong animals ang kinakatakutan niyo, ma'am? Snake. Ma'am, sakto daw. Hindi ko may papangakong hindi snake to, ma'am. Kasi yung last na guest, nakalmot na. Baka panglima ka naman. Now, ma'am, again and again, that whatever the animals that we put in your hands, please do not drop it, squeeze it, or throw it. Okay, ma'am, for the last question, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, so if you're ready now, all the way from the Central and North America, Choloy.
Hey. Hey. It's really hard to play. Hey.
So now, Choloy, here is a green iguana, also known as the bamboo chicken, because they can be found on the top of the tree branches 50 feet above the ground. And they can drop straight down without getting hurt because of their tough leathery skin. And they have these julaps which they use to store fats and to escape from starvation. And they are also herbivores, which means they eat fruits, veggies, and flowers as well. So now guys, let's give a round of applause for Choloy the green iguana. And of course for ma'am for being so brave. Thank you so much, ma'am. And you can go back to your seat now. Thank you so much po.